McCann FitzGerald's series of summary briefings is intended specifically for in-house counsel and others whose work involves advising on or applying Irish law. Each video provides a summarised refresher on some fundamental legal rules, updates on new developments and practical guidance on the application of relevant Irish law with a focus on the issues that we see arising most frequently in day-to-day practice.
If a whistleblower report is true, your organisation has two problems. First, unacceptable business practices are happening. Second, your management haven't noticed them. Historically, organisations discredited whistleblowers and covered up whistleblower reports. Now, whistleblowers have significant protections under the Protected Disclosures Act 2014. They can get up to 5 years' pay as compensation if they are fired for whistleblowing, or can claim damages for victimisation. The first whistleblower's injunction in Ireland, restraining dismissal after a whistleblowing report, was given last June. Your organisation should have a whistleblowing policy that encourages workers to be comfortable about raising concerns without fear of penalisation or retaliation. Your policy should identify reporting channels to raise concerns confidentially and receive feedback. You should commit to investigating and dealing effectively with reports that are genuine and supported by evidence. The Protected Disclosures Act applies to workers. Workers include consultants, contractors, trainees, volunteers, former employees and job seekers. Any of these people can report information obtained in the workplace that in that worker's reasonable belief shows relevant wrongdoing. Relevant wrongdoings include crimes such as bribery, theft or fraud, breach of legal obligations, endangering people, environmental damage, misuse of public money, gross misconduct or gross mismanagement by a public body, or concealment. You should meet the whistleblower quickly to clarify the report and get further information. Sometimes immediate action is needed to reduce risks and prevent harm. You may be obliged to report to the Gardaí, for example, under Section 19 of the Criminal Justice Act 2011, or to a regulator. You might need to block questionable financial transactions or freeze records. Investigating a whistleblower report involves independently establishing what happened, not who was responsible. It usually involves reviewing records and interviewing those involved to the extent they cooperate. If the investigation shows the whistleblower report is true, action is needed to stop the wrongdoing, prevent recurrence, and improve performance. The key risk for organisations that don't respond adequately to whistleblower reports is that whistleblowers can be protected if they whistleblow externally. This brings the issue outside your control. Prevention is better than cure. An open culture with a policy of if you see it, say it, prevents minor problems escalating. An effective whistleblowing policy, supported by quick, effective and independent whistleblowing investigations, is your organisation's best protection.